This is newer than I expected. This is the elevator at Horton Hall. Farmingdale, SUNY Farmingdale. Wow, this is a lot newer than I expected it to be. Oh. Oh, no grocery beep. And we gotta hope this has a good motor. Look at that. Inch up, inch down controls. Alright. It's a good motor, but it's like really hard to hear. Of course, you got your Throg's next favorite buttons. I doubt those do anything.
Cookie.
That's newer. That's newer traditional. It's a nice elevator. For a building like this, I expected something a lot older.
Yeah, it was definitely modernized.
Well, it's got the...
And gigantic lock.
It's got a Thyssenkrupp door track right there.
Imagine.
Oh, this is a Dover. That was something Dover. There you go. That's neat.